The Brampton Hindu Temple in Canada feels that their Canadian Hindu community is unsafe in the country and that they should be provided with security guarantees. Well, this concern of Brampton Community Centre comes amidst the call from the official intelligence of Peel Regional Police to cancel the life certificate event, which was scheduled to take place at the Brampton Triveni Mandir on 7th of November. The Peel Regional Police has cited the reason for cancellation of Hindu event to be extremely high and imminent threat level of violent protests. Normally, whenever there is a threat perception, the security officers would ensure the safety of ones who are threatened, but not the Canadian police. They would rather shut down the event instead of ensuring the safety of the attendees. So now a question arises. Why is the Justin Trudeau-led Canadian government and their police sheltering pro-Khalistan radicals on their soil and not taking any action against them? We all have seen how the Peel police officers did a brutal takedown on Hindus instead of the pro-Khalistan radicals who attacked Hindu temples in Brampton and Surrey. Canadian police and their administration gets anguished if someone disrespects the yellow flag of so-called Khalistan. But the same Canadian administration stays absolutely mum when our Indian tricolor gets beaten up and is steered with sword by the Khalistan radicals. Indian External Affairs Ministry and even our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has raised concerns over the attack on Hindus and their temples in Canada, but still till date no prompt action has been taken against these radical extremists. Instead, Hindus have been asked to cancel their religious community events. And well, leave aside taking any action, the whole of Canadian administrative ministers refuse to even acknowledge using K word in their tweets while alleging grievances over the attack in Canada. Previously, we had the pamphlet covered how Canada's opposition leader Pierre Poilievre announced cancelling of Diwali celebration at Parliament Hill, which anguished the Indian diaspora in Canada. Let's end with a question here. Is the Hindu minority safe in Canada? Let us know what do you think in the comment section below.